Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots with a drone that not only stays in the air long enough to get every perfect angle, but also sees obstacles in all directions, guiding itself safely back to you. Today, we're diving deep into a drone that promises all that and more, the DJI Mavic 3. Whether you're a pro filmmaker or just passionate about aerial photography, staying tuned could change the way you fly forever. Hi, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the DJI Mavic 3, a drone equipped with a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera designed to deliver professional-level imagery, paired with cutting-edge flight features like omnidirectional obstacle sensing and an impressive 46-minute flight time. We'll walk through the pros and cons to help you decide if this is the drone that fits your needs. Exceptional image quality. The 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 3 stands out with its 12.8-stop dynamic range, meaning it captures extraordinary detail even in tricky lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or shadowy environments, this sensor preserves highlights and shadows beautifully, lending your footage a professional, cinematic look right out of the box. Impressive flight time. One of the biggest highlights is the max flight time of 46 minutes on a single battery. This extended airtime means fewer interruptions for battery changes and more freedom to focus on your creative shots or surveying tasks. For anyone serious about aerial work, this kind of endurance is a game changer. Advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Safety is paramount, and the Mavic 3's ability to sense obstacles in every direction builds a new layer of confidence for pilots at all levels. This 360-degree sensing suite greatly reduces the risk of crashes, especially in complex environments where obstacles can come from any side, making your flight experience smoother and more reliable. Robust transmission and smart return to home. The O3 Plus transmission system delivers a rock-solid 15-kilometer video feed range, so you can explore far beyond your usual perimeter with a clear, stable live view. Combine this with the intelligent advanced return to home feature that calculates the safest, most efficient route back, whether triggered manually or automatically. And you've got a system designed to keep your drone and footage secure no matter what. Size and weight. While it delivers exceptional performance, the Mavic 3 is noticeably larger and heavier compared to some other drones in the Mavic lineup. This can affect portability if you're looking for a compact drone to carry on quick trips or hikes where every ounce counts. Learning curve for advanced features. The array of sophisticated tech, from Hasselblad camera settings to the obstacle sensing system and transmission tuning, means there's a steeper learning curve. Beginners might find the interface and settings overwhelming without some thorough practice or prior drone experience. Limited operating temperature range. The drone's operating temperature range from roughly 14 degrees Celsius to 104 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, restricts its usability in extreme climates. If you often fly in very cold or hot environments, this could pose operational challenges or shorten battery performance. No modular upgradability. Unlike some newer drones that allow for easy upgrades or component swaps, the Mavic 3 keeps you mostly locked into its original hardware configuration. This limits flexibility for users hoping to future-proof their investment through add-ons or enhancements later on. The DJI Mavic 3 earns a Sky Inspector 9 on the Inspect Aspect scale. It excels by pushing aerial imaging and flight safety technology forward, giving creators tools usually reserved for much pricier gear. The superb camera, extended flight time, and intelligent features make it a standout choice for professionals and enthusiasts who prioritize quality and reliability. However, its heft, the learning curve, and operational limitations keep it from a perfect score. If you're ready to invest time mastering its complexities and want stellar performance above all, this drone is absolutely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link on the screen and in the description for the best prices and deals. Thanks for watching. I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect, and I'll see you in the next review.